Hi, I'm Annie, and today I'm gonna show you the Sunday afternoon texture. I already washed the hair with the MOISTREPAIR solid shampoo, and then I used the new CONSCIOUS STYLE Everyday Conditioner. I love its hydration and sustainable benefits. For the style, I'm using the multi-benefit spray. Especially, I like the lightweight hold and the heat protection. My quick tip is clip the sections the way I show you now. Now, I'll repeat that all over the head. And now, I'm gonna put my finger through to break it all up. For the final touch, I'm using the styling putty. They are 84% of natural ingredients and 94% are biodegradable. I hope you like the look I did with conscious styling. For more videos, go check out the KMS Pro channel.